let's continue. Okay. Ibrahim, Al-Akbar, Selin, are you there? Shall we continue?
Yeah, I am, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Selin, Al-Akbar, Ibrahim. Can you not mute your microphone for 10 minutes? Because we are going to do these questions together. This actually, as you see, it is from review questions. And after that, we will finish this number sequence, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do not turn off your microphone because we are going to do this question together, and let's finish this chapter today. You should be a bit fast. Selin, let's start with you okay? What is the question? Now you know how to answer number sequence questions. State the rule. You have to state the rule and write down the next three terms in the following sequence. You just state the rule and tell me the next three terms. I'll write it down for you. Okay, Selin, let's start with you.
Plus 6, also 25, 31, and 37.
Okay, so always, Selin, also you have to mention you are starting your number sequence with what number. So start with 1 and add 6 to get the next term, right? That's the rule here. Okay, Ibrahim, how about question B?
12, 15,
Start with 12.
30, 42, 12 and 15 have 2, 3 and 2, 12, 15 and 6, 9, and it's 12 now.
So it is 42, right?
42.
And plus 15, it is
Then,
57. And plus 18, that is 75.
yeah,
So what is the rule here, Ibrahim? Can you tell me what is the rule here?
all days before the number plus 3.
And what are these numbers? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. What are those numbers?
All of them have 3. Like
They are multiples of 3, right?
yes.
So
3.
so we should say that start with 12 and add multiples of 3 to get the next terms. So multiples of 3 means it is 3, 6, 9. Okay, good. Next, Al-Akbar, how about C?
Sí, okay. 0, 2, 2, 4, and 16.
Okay, here, what is the rule here? As you see here, 0 plus 2, it is 2. 2 plus 2, it is 4, right? And 4 plus 6, it is 10. So what is the rule here? Start with 2, 0, and 2, and add two preceding terms to get the next term. We call them actually these two preceding terms. Preceding. Ibrahim, drink coffee. If you feel sleepy, also we will feel sleepy. You know that's because Yawning is, you know, we say that yawning is contagious. Contagious means if you yawn, now maybe Selen will start yawning. After that, Alekbar, and after that, me. It's really interesting, actually. Every part of the world is the same. Anyway, guys, here, to get the next term, we need to add two preceding terms. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 10, it is 16, 10 plus 16, 26,
and
16 plus
26,
26, that is 40.
42.
Okay, very good. Selin, next question. D.
Minus 4, and it will be 85, 81, and 77.
So start with 101 and subtract 4 to get the next term, right? 101 minus 4, 97, minus 4, 93. No.
4. Like
Is
it
it?
will be 85,
4.
80,
Okay,
81, and 77.
77. Ibrahim, how about E?
5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 30. 13 plus 4 is 17, and plus 4 is 21, and plus 4 is 25, plus 4 is 29.
Okay. Alekbar, how about F?
Plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, plus 11, and plus 3, 7. Oh.
What is it? Plus 3. We don't know. Let's check this. This one is plus 5. This one is plus 7. So this should be then plus 9, right? So what is it? Plus 9, that is 27. And here plus 11, that is 38. And plus 13, that should be 51. So we are just adding, what is it? Odd numbers starting with 3. This 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, these are odd numbers, right? Okay.
Sorry, teacher. My microphone is.
Okay, I like that. No problem. If you can hear me well, let's do this question. Stalin, read the question and do A, B.
Fill in each box with an appropriate number. State the rule you use and update your answer. So
Okay.
1, 3, I think multiply by 3.
So it will be 9.
It will be
right?
9, and 9 multiplied by 9.
Okay, how about question B?
It will be 0.
0?
Yes, I think so.
Are you sure? Now, how do we get, for example, from 12, how do we get 24? We multiply by 2, right?
Plus
And
12.
here, multiply by 2. Here, multiply by 2. So that means what number is multiplied by 2 is 12?
6.
6. How about C?
Plus 2 plus 3. What?
Yeah, plus
2
2 plus 3 plus 4, and this should be
then it will be plus 5. It will be 16.
okay. How about D?
D will be plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. What?
1 plus 5, it is 6. 5 plus 6, it is 11. 6 plus 11 is 17. 17 plus 11, it should be 28. So we are just adding the previous two terms, right, to get that, to get the next term.
Okay.
It's like, for example, 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 6 plus 11, 17. Ibrahim, how about the last question?
So 41 minus 1, 40 minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 4, then minus 5 equal 26.
26. Good. Okay, let's continue. Consider the pattern. Here we have 11 minus 2, 3 squared. Here we have 2 ones and 2, right? Here we have 4 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 22. That is 33 squared. And how about here we have 6 ones and 3 twos. That is 3, 3, 3 squared, right? And here the question is, write down the 5th line. In the first line, we have 2 ones. Second line, here we have 4. And the third line, we have, what is it? 6. And 5th line, let's just write here question A, 5th line, it will be how many ones? What do you think in 5th line, how many ones do we have in this number, in the first number?
Can I say?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, 5, 10, that's
In the first one, 2. In the second one, 4. In the third one, 6. So in the 5th one, there will be 10 ones, right? Here we have 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus, and here we have 2. How many? 5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to this pattern, it will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squared. Right? It's a pattern, so it's a huge number, but because of this pattern, that's equal to this. And here it says find the value of x and y. So how can I know that actually how many ones, how many here, how many? 1, 2, 8, right? So that means that's 8, 16 ones. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squared. Okay, so what is the value of x? X equals this. And how about y? Y equals this. Okay. Celine, can you write on the screen? Is it a real puppy or a soft toy?
I can join from my iPad and then write on the screen if you want.
Or Celine, just tell me, let me just write down for you, that will be much faster. Consider the pattern. Now, what is the 7th line in this pattern? Can you just tell me what would actually should write for the 7th line? Let's just write here that part 1, that is 7th line, would be like what? Again, we are familiar with this number pattern, right? Mr. Ibrahim, where's your coffee? Oh, you don't drink coffee in evening time. Celine, what are these numbers? The sum of the natural numbers, right? Here, 1, 1 plus 2, and it should be 1 plus 3. Oh, this is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So the 7th line will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, right? Which is equal to, we have already got the formula for this. What is this? The sum of the first 7 natural numbers, right? Which is equal to n times n plus 1. That is 7 plus 1 because the last number is 7 over 2. We can calculate this 8 over 2. 4 times 7, that's equal to 28. So that is the 7th line. And it says that find the value of k. How do you find the value of k? From here, this 45, right? That is equal to, how can I write 45 in this form? 45 equals, it is 90 is equal to 90 over 2. Now, can we write 90 as a product of two consecutive integers? So that is 9 times 10 over 2. Now, from here, from this pattern, if it is 3, this is 3. If it is 2, this is 2. So if it is k, this is k, right? So what is the value of k here then? K is equal to 9. Okay? Good. We have, okay, 3 more questions. I'm not going to do all. Guys, let's do the last question, okay? After that, we will finish the class. Otherwise, Ibrahim will fall asleep on his chair. Ibrahim, how many push-ups can you do?
Yeah.
How many push-ups can you do? Can you do 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Next time, do some push-up, record it and share with us, okay? Let me see how you do push-up.
Okay.
Okay, guys, let's finish this question. That's the last question for today. I know you are tired. I'm also tired. And consider the pattern. It's about the sum of the cubes of the natural numbers. Maybe next time, if we have time, we will talk about this deeply, in a more depth. Here we have 1 cube equals 1 squared. And 1 cube plus 2 cube equals 1 plus 8, that's equal to 9, which is equal to 3 squared. And 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, that's equal to 1 plus 8 plus 27. If you just add them up, that's equal to 36, again 6 squared. And if you notice here, the sum of the cubes of the numbers here always, what is it? Square number. 9 is a square number, 36 is a square number, until 4 cubed. And again, here we have 100, it is a square number. Now from here, what can we actually, what conclusion we can draw from here? That means that the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is always square number. Now, how about if we have some numbers until x, and if we just evaluate this, here we have x cubed, that's equal to y here, and this sum is equal to z. So that's equal to 36 squared. Write down the 6th line in the pattern. We can just write it here. 6th line will be like this, right? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube. You can evaluate this. Actually, this will be equal to 6 times 7 over 2 squared, which is equal to 21. It is 441. Okay. And in general, also this until x. What is this? 36, right? So this 1 cube plus 2 cube plus dot dot plus x cube, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus dot dot plus x squared. Okay, next time if you have time, I'll talk about this in more detail. And we have already learned how to calculate this sum, right? Just the sum of the first n natural numbers, which is equal to x times x plus 1 over 2 squared. And that's equal to what? 36 squared. 36 squared. So that means that 36, can we just write this in this form? X times x plus 1 over 2. Yes. What is it? Actually, this 72 over 2. So I can write it as 8 times 9 over 2 squared. If you check this, 8 times 9, 72 over 2, that is 36. Here we have squared. So that means that our x is equal to 8. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your attention. That much is enough for today. I think you look a bit tired today. So if you have any questions, anytime, you can just send to our group or directly you can send it to me. Okay, and keep doing your assignment. And if you finish your assignment, test one, please submit it as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next Monday. Ibrahim, have a good night. Sweet dreams for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Celine and Alekbar. See you. Bye bye. See you next Monday.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.